This is Lego City Set 60020 cargo truck from 2013 with 3 minifigures and 321 pieces. So now let's get started with the set. And the first part of the set is this forklift right there. We get a roll cage here with a signal light on top. We get the tires on each side. We get a sticker on the back. We get the tail lights right there. And the headlights on the front. You can open up the roll cage and you can see the steering wheel and the joysticks. And you get the fork here, which you can slide, which you can push down here with the rubber band here. And I think that's a very cool feature. More on that in a moment once I get to the pallets which we get with the set. Then we also get this wagon right there here, very neat and simple, and get the job done. And now let's get to the truck, and that's the cargo truck. You get stickers all over the truck as well. One is over here, there and there. You get the headlights in the grill on the front. We get another sticker here and there. And another sticker here, there, there and there. And another sticker here and over there. You can open up the roof here and you get access to the cabin. And you get to see the coffee mug and the steering wheel. And a city vehicle wouldn't be complete without a coffee mug, of course. And then we have the doors here which you can open up. And now let's open up the container, because this is where the fun begins. And you open that up, and in there you get to see 2 containers. One is holding 4 containers, 4 canisters, and the other one is holding an engine here. And you can take the engine off the jumper plates here, and yeah, it's a very neat build. And yeah, now let's put the pallet onto the forklift, and that's done like that. And you have to push that one into the truck like that, and you have to leave it like that if you want to. But if you want to, you can also go a little bit crazy with the forklift feature and put the pallet on like that. And once you push it down, yeah, and that happens. You can actually shoot that one off, and now it breaks the entire pallet. Fantastic. One of the canisters went behind me. Let's pick that one up and fix everything before I try another one. Yeah, that's very fun. Yeah, fantastic. Now I hit the camera. Let's fix that. And I think that's a feature which we want to do all day. Yeah, that's fun. I think it's a very nice feature, and that's the hidden play feature, the hidden challenge you want to have in the set. I think that's a lot of fun. So now let's get to the minifigure. I suppose that's the driver here, the guy with the earmuffs, which have been introduced during that year, I think. The exact same year. And there's no backprint on neither of the minifigures' faces and torsos. You can remove the earmuffs like that, and we get the cap here, and there's the figure without the head. And I think I will pose the camera a little better. So yeah, then we have another minifigure, and they have the same overalls here, and here's a female worker with the cap on and removed. And the last minifigure we get here is the one with the walkie-talkie, with the cap on and removed. And now let's get to the instruction manuals. There are 2 instruction manuals. Instruction number 2 is the one for the trucks. There are no mistakes, no missing pieces. And instruction 1 is the one with the forklift and the pallets. And on the back of the instruction you get to see the other sets, and that's the time when Lego switched from 4-digit set numbers to 5-digit set numbers, which is very historical as well. And I don't have any of these sets in my collection, so hopefully one day, but not the priority right now. And the instruction has no mistakes, no missing pieces as well. And now let's get to the box, and here's the box from the front. And the back of the box. So overall it's a great set. I highly recommend you to get the set, and in the meantime please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my playlist of my Lego City videos I've uploaded, as well as on my website for some cool Lego stuff I've uploaded. It's the bell for notification, and in the end screen you can find a link to another channel where I'm doing Lego content there, plus you can also find a link to another video which has been suggested by the algorithm, and I will see you over there.